Stop downloading pirated Microsoft Office and risking your PC with malware. You don't need to crack it anymore. Meet ONLYOFFICE, a 100% free, open-source alternative that looks and feels just like Microsoft Office. Here, we can see that ONLYOFFICE offers an interface and functionality similar to MS Office. Go to your web browser and search for ONLYOFFICE Download. Click on the official ONLYOFFICE page. Move your mouse to the ONLYOFFICE Desktop Editors for Windows. As you can see, there are many installation options here. Since I'm using 64-bit Windows 11, I'll download the matching exe file. Now, let's proceed with installing ONLYOFFICE. Click OK. Next, accept the terms of service and click Next. Next. Now, let's open MS Office to compare it with ONLYOFFICE. Wow, look at that! The ONLYOFFICE interface looks almost 90% identical to Microsoft Office. As I showed in the chart at the beginning of the video, these two programs are very similar. If you don't want to pay for Microsoft Office, you should definitely give ONLYOFFICE a try. The best part is that it's completely free. Save your money and keep your computer safe. Check the link in the description to get it today. And don't forget to subscribe for more free software gems.